Hey, everybody. So I got in a package. I had a few packages that I'll be getting in the next couple of weeks, but I got a package here. Um, my idea behind this package, first of all, before I talk, please come in and give me a thumbs up, thumbs up. I really want to get my YouTube videos into the analytics for more people to see and, join me. I thank you to the ones that do watch and do give me the thumbs up. I appreciate you. But I wanted to do like a Christmas photo in pajamas. As y'all know, all my kids are all grown, and I have a 14-year-old. That's my youngest. So I pitched it to my husband, and he was like, I don't know. We had little ankle biters, yeah, say meaning if our kids were little, but they're not. We got three young adults and then one 14-year-old who wouldn't mind, to be quite honest. But I asked my daughter to look for some pajamas before I had talked some picture I did to my husband, and she was like, I ordered some from this site, and long and behold, they had came that day, and she put them on, was able to show me, and I was like, oh, those are nice, good quality. So they was having starting in like Black Friday sale, and those old sorry suckers, I should have waited because I could have got them for $8 cheaper. For Cyber Monday, they was doing $25, 50% off of everything. And for Black Friday till Sunday, they was doing, I think it was 30% off. Their pajamas are pretty expensive, to be quite honest, and it's per piece. So the only thing that comes as a set is their short sets, but they have pajamas for the whole family, for women, men, and kids and babies. So let me open this up and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So I got three pairs of pajama pants. They do sell the tops to the pants, but I don't like long sleeve pajama shirts. I get hot way too easily. I'd rather be cold and I can warm up with my blanket than to be too hot and I'm stripping off everything. So I'm gonna just go get some cheap t-shirts from Old Navy or something. They normally sell during this time pretty cheap shirts, but um hmm, is that oh okay. So basically when you sign up and you spend $100 or more, you get a $20 off coupon. So I was able to use that. Um, um, and they was having a 30% off. So these things was like 38, something like that, $38. I believe normal price is like $48 per piece, and that's just crazy. But it has on there, I guess, with all my discounts, $26.93 per piece. I paid to have this next next day air, and I got my shipping notice. I think it was Sunday or Saturday. I think it was Saturday, and it didn't go out until Monday. And I noticed they put it on 2 days, so I said, "Hey, y'all need to give me back my money. If it's not gonna come until Wednesday, this wasn't supposed to come until Wednesday." But it came today. My daughter came in and she bought it in the house. Um, so basically, with tax, the merch, the pants was 80, $25 shipping and handling. I'm impatient. 105.80 total, 933 tax. Uh, yeah, and that was that because with their free shipping, you wasn't gonna get it until like December 11th, and I'm like, shoot, the holiday halfway over. Even if I wanted to take a picture, again, I'm impatient. I don't mind paying the shipping for my stuff. This, as long as I get it, when, for what I paid for it. So I did. So I don't know how these fit. I got an extra large because I don't like my pajama pants to fit tight or snug up against me. So I got these. I thought it was so cute. And they feel so soft and nice. Has a drawstring. The one for the men adults do not have the drawstring. It's the gathered waist. And I want to be able to, if they're a little bit big in the waist, I want to be able to tighten it. So, and they're nice and soft too. Very nice. And these are black. Even though they look blue, but they're black. Black polka dot. They got this little print. They have the shirt that have this print going in the middle again. I don't like long sleeve shirts. And it has the drawstring on it. And yep, the regular price on these is $48. There's no way I would pay $48. I would say y'all wait until they have a sale. I'll go now. I'm pretty sure they may still have their 50% off. Going all the way until Christmas. If they're trying to make that money like every other business. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be running sales all month long. And then I got a gray striped pair. And all of these are extra large. So I'll come back and tell you how these fit. Okay, I'm back. So I just wanted to show y'all how these pajamas pants fit. I'm so glad I ordered an extra large because a large probably would have been too small. These fit perfect. As you can see the waist. I'm not sure how far back y'all can see, but yeah, they fit perfect. They're nice and soft too. I like them. I don't know if they $50 nice and soft, but I don't think they $50 a piece. Good, but yeah, just wanted to show y'all how they fit, how they look on. I'm just gonna try this pair on because they all pretty much the same type of material, and that's it. Bring it up a little bit so you can see the waist is green tied. You see the stretchiness, how they look. So they're very nice, very soft. So that is about it for this video. Hopefully when I post this, they are still having some type of a sale that y'all can go and get y'all some. Hopefully they still 50% off because $25 is not a bad deal for some nice pajamas. If you want to do matching pajamas, then you can do that too with your grandkids, your babies. They have from women, men, kids, and babies. So y'all can do that. So I'm out of here. Peace.